been much warmer today than even yesterday, and it's been much warmer today than we have been for much of this week, as we currently are in the 80s, between around 81 and around 87 degrees across northeast Kansas from our Prairie Band Casino and Resort live storm tracker. And our current wind gusts are between around 5 and 20 miles per hour, coming from the north mainly across the area. Currently from our Midland Exterior Skycam in Manhattan, you can see some controlled burns continuing to go on. These are the controlled burns that you may have seen from Jeremy when he was showing them yesterday on the show, and they are continuing to take place. And from our Skycam in West Topeka, clear, beautiful skies. It does feel dry out there, and it is warm today. Tonight's forecast overall, I am forecasting our lows to be around the upper 40s and even into the low 50s with mostly clear skies. Weather headlines: expect near record heat ahead tomorrow and on Saturday, and an elevated fire danger as we go throughout this weekend, and then cooler temperatures behind a Sunday cold front, but it won't be substantially cooler behind that cold front. All this heat is occurring though right now because of this heat dome off to our southwest, and that is just cycling warm air into our area from the west, and that will continue to take place as we go throughout tomorrow and Saturday before that cold front moves through on Sunday. Tomorrow's forecast, I am expecting temperatures into the upper 80s and even into the low 90s, with sunny skies continuing to be the case. We also are watching for record highs. The record in Topeka was 85 in 1953, and it's forecasted to be around 89 degrees. And in Concordia, 83 in 1934 and 2011, and I'm forecasting 90 degrees for Concordia. Saturday's forecast even warmer into the low and mid 90s, 91 in Topeka, 96 out in Concordia with those sunny skies. And overall, these may change, but right now around 91 degrees for your record in Topeka in 1907 and 1916. I am forecasting around 91 degrees for that high. And then in Concordia, 97 was the record in 1907, and I'm forecasting around 96 degrees for that high in Concordia. We also do have that fire weather watch. It could be upgraded to a red flag warning if conditions are met, but that goes on until around Sunday evening at 7 p.m. So that's something we are watching out for, and we are watching out for the winds as well, as that cold front that I mentioned just a little bit earlier will move through on Sunday, making for a windy day, and that cold front will be out of here really from around noon into the evening, bringing windier conditions behind it, gusting from the north at 25 to 35 miles per hour. So that's something we are going to be watching out for as well, and we will keep you all updated on and monitor. 8-day forecast overall though, the start of spring is tomorrow. It's looking to feel more like summer though. It will be hot on Saturday, and then on Sunday, we will be a little bit cooler because of that cold front. Not seeing any moisture though with that cold front across most of the area. Going to be cooler for most of the week. Next week, feeling more like spring.